Welcome to Ultimate Driving TV. In this video, we shall be dealing with approaching junctions to turn left. That is, turning from a major road to a minor road on the left. When turning left, you would have to give priority to oncoming traffic and to pedestrians crossing the road you are turning into. You must not cross the path of oncoming or approaching traffic. If doing so will cause the vehicle to change speed or direction. In approaching junction to turn left, we use the MSPSL or hazard routine as follows. Check your mirrors, signal your intention, position your car, in this case position near the center line, reduce your speed, and look in the road you are turning into. After identifying the road you want to turn into, the first thing to do is to check your mirrors. For left turns, check the interior and left door mirrors in that order. After checking your mirrors and you have ascertained that it is safe to turn, give a left indicator signal. After signaling, move into position. For left turn, steer to take up a position just to the right of the center line to leave room for following traffic to overtake you on the right. Once you are in position to turn, you will need to adjust your speed and select the appropriate gear for the speed you are traveling at. Finally, make sure it is safe to turn. Move up to the point of turn. In this case, your wing mirror would diagonally appear to rest at the center line of the road you are turning into. You need to also look into the new road to assess how clear the junction is before you begin to turn. When turning left, avoid cutting the corner by turning too soon, as this could endanger you and others by putting yourself in the path of an approaching vehicle. After turning, make sure that your signal is cancelled and check your mirrors again to ascertain that the new situation behind you is safe before increasing your speed and making progress. So this is how to turn left from a major road into a minor road. Hope you like our video. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Also like and share this video to help others find us on YouTube. Please feel free to leave any comments about our videos. For business inquiries, please email us at sdserue@hotmail.com or call us on +234 8070 555 444.